Foxconn Technology Group has recalled hundreds of Chinese engineers and technicians from its iPhone factories in India, a move that threatens to derail Apple's aggressive production ramp-up. Over 300 Chinese staff, crucial for training and technical operations, have left the southern India plants in the past 2 months, leaving Taiwanese support teams to oversee the transition. The sudden exodus, reportedly linked to Beijing's tightening grip on technology and labor exports, is expected to slow local workforce, training, disrupt production timelines for the upcoming iPhone 17, and raise short-term costs, posing a significant challenge to Apple's plans to shift more manufacturing out of China. And there is some breaking news coming in. However, the ministry is seeing, the sources are in fact telling NDTV Profit that they are seeing this as a temporary disruption. My colleague Shrimi bringing us more on this. Shrimi, we understand that the recent disruption at Foxconn is something that government sources are potentially looking at as being temporary, just a bump in the road, also adding that maybe India is well poised to handle it. Give us all the details.
Yeah, clearly, Sanjana, what we are picking up from the top sources in METI is that the government is not pressing the panic button as yet, and in fact they are saying that there's no cause for concern, calling the disruption temporary and pointing out that India has sufficient manpower, with local machine manufacturing also picking up the pace. The other thing is, which sources is highlighting at this point, that Foxconn technician regularly coming from China, US and Taiwan, and so there is no as such shortage which affect the overall manufacturing at these bases. Moreover, several companies have started manufacturing machine already, and at most this appears to be a temporary disruption which could last for over a month or not beyond that. In fact, Foxconn recent move to recall 300 engineers to China may be linked to its government decision to strengthen its supply chain, is what hint we are getting at this point. And in fact, from the Foxconn side, there are some indication coming in that they are planning to hire 500 to 1,000 Indian employees, making the count to 40,000 at these manufacturing bases by this month itself. Now, sources also hinting at that since it's a temporary disruption, it could have some impact on the delay part, but it's just a temporary one and it won't last for long. And in fact, they are saying that Apple FY26 plan remain ambitious, and if you see that the tech giant, the US tech giant, is already targeting 27 billion production value from India, and that will continue. There is no change in that estimation and projection. And the ministry is anyway, examining the move and will intervene as and when it's needed at this point of time. But it is very important here that, after this China authority is kind of indefinitely holding up key machines in the recent past, we have seen in the case of rare earth, where the restrictions are coming as far as exports is concerned. So clearly this is follow up from there, and such employees are recalling. So clearly the government is watching this move, and we are tracking this story closely, Sanjana.
Shrimi, thanks so much for bringing us that update. We'll continue tracking how this actually impacts or disrupts Apple's India push. But for now, government sources telling us that all is well and India is actually poised to deal with this very temporary disruption. Shrimi